Please introduce yourself, your name, your age, if you are married.
Okay, my name is David Nyangi Mwansi. I'm a Kenyan citizen, aged 44 years. I'm married and I have 2 kids.
Okay, can you tell me what your studies are?
Sorry?
What studies do you have? What level?
I'm looking for a position of faculty.
No, I'm asking about your school education. How many classes did you pass at school? High school level or university or college or...
So I went to Coast Institute of Technology. I did food and beverage and services for 2 years. So after there, I went for training as a chef. And then I went to for 2 years in a hotel called Red Elephant. From there, I went to Voyager Beach Resort as a junior chef. From Voyager, I went to Saudi Arabia as a chef deputy. So I've worked in Saudi Arabia and Mogadishu, Somalia.
What kind of food did you prepare in Saudi Arabia and how long you worked there?
In Saudi Arabia, I worked for 2 years as a chef deputy. I was making hummus.
So Arabic food.
Yeah, those are salads.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. There's some foods called dolma.
Sorry?
There's some food called dolma food.
Okay.
Those are Arabic foods.
Okay.
Mm. So from Saudi Arabia, I went to Mogadishu. I was working with the British Embassy, with a company called KBR, Kellogg Brown and Root.
Yes.
I worked there for 4 years.
And what was your position there?
My position was a chef deputy.
Also chef de partie. And what kind of food you prepare?
I was making international cuisines.
International, can you give me some dishes, some examples?
Making lasagna, chicken a la king, fisherman's pie.
Mm-hmm. Okay, understood. So after that, you are still working? Are working anywhere?
No, I'm not working anywhere. I came to Kenya on March
Mm-hmm.
due to Corona. So there was a problem with our visa in Somalia because the conflict between Somalia and Kenya. So they told me to hold,
Yes,
and they did not give me the specific time. So from May up to now, I'm at home.
understand. Right now, why are you applying for Romania?
Sorry,
Why are you applying for Romania?
because I want exposure.
Okay.
I want to learn some more foods and meeting different people.
Okay. In Romania, the minimum contract is 2 years if you are accepted for a job. Are you willing to stay that long?
Yeah, I can stay because in Saudi Arabia I stayed for 2 years. My contract, but after every year I had an annual leave.
Okay. In order to get selection for cook or chef de partie, we will need to see some skills, some practical skills. Can you provide any video that can prove your skills in this field?
Yeah.
Okay. You are medically fit?
Yeah, I'm medical fit. I did medical yesterday.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Alexander.